Techni, and Techni is my passion. I mean, if you take me like TikTok, scroll, pwede mo siyang i-scroll. You can scroll, like, and comment, okay? And you can see your profile, edit, edit, and description, all of it. And we have a video section, video. We're promoting landscape because portrait is like a YouTube. So, and playlist. Yeah, playlist. MSA video. User, you can find the user there and chat to others. And here too. And here. Here, if you click this, you can you're gonna go to the users and subscription for to be a Grab Pizza. And dito sa dulo, makikita nyo yung mga yan. Mga games ng ating something. Yung signal ng phone is so very mahina. So, pasensya nyo siya. Basta yun. Yan, tapos, and this is the example of one game. Yeah. Look. It's so very, very. It's okay, and marami ba ditong game? It's so many game here. I mean, too many game here. And makikita niyo icon ng app. And you can see here. And yes, we have this search bar. And you can post by clicking this plus and select video. And after selecting video, like here download. This is for example only. Like this. You can magdawag English, joke lang. Yes, you get in here. And choose your category, like this is sad and description, and click the send to upload it, but I'm not clicking it. So just yun lang yan, English pa para maintindihan nyo lang. Napilitan ako. So yes, you can see the Techni and TikTok look alike, but much girly version, I think. much better for me because TikTok is so static and so futuristic, but Techni is just a normal app like TikTok and videos and no limits. And you can say a bad word here, pwede kayo magmura or something, but sexual harassment, pwede nyo i-report yung iba, okay? Pwede kayo mag-report dito and pwede natin sila i-ban, okay? Bawal ang harassment and bawal din dito yung mga bashers, pwede kayo mag-report, okay? Alam niyo naman yung para mag-report, yung parang warning sa gilid, warning. Ito here. If may makita kayong kanto, like, example, this account, click nyo to. Tapos yan, pwede nyo na siya i-report. And, 8 PM kayo ng account. And, by the way, follow me, and this is Chandy, and follow the official account of Techni. That's it. Bye-bye.